So here you have two smartphones, both of them are using Zoom. I want to send a picture from here to there, but I receive a message, so just tap on the screen to show these. And here you have share. Once again tap on share. Host disabled attendee screen sharing. Okay, so I cannot send a picture. To enable it from the other phone, you have to go here to the three dots, more. Okay, meeting settings, and here we have share screen, enable it. So share screen was enabled. Go back, and now on this phone, share, and now you can choose the picture, let's say from photo, from photos, and let's say from camera, and let's say that picture. And the picture is shown on both of them.